Hello there, this is Benfornier. Here's more Mass Effect 2007. Onward to the next system to explore, I don't know, maybe all the systems, or well, next cluster, and then all the systems within the cluster, or just one system at a time. I don't know. Probably be simpler to do one system at a time within a given cluster. Something like that. Certainly more videos for everyone to watch. Or not watch more than the first few seconds of as ever normal. But yeah, let's see here. Exodus cluster, there we go. So there's Utopia and nothing else. Alright, so to Utopia of the Exodus cluster. It yet. Like, this is after the third main mission, so probably not. Unless, I thought there was something similar to Starship Troopers on one of them. On one of the worlds somewhere. Like Rachni that we'd have to fight. Oh, there's Eden Prime. So that's already there. Oh, I mean to be reading the description, sorry. So, okay, here's Arcadia. An unusually large terrestrial world, Arcadia has a dense atmosphere composed of nitrogen and helium. Its scorching hot surface is mainly composed of alkaline basalts, but metal deposits are plentiful. Though several spectacular examples of columnar basalt formation offer scenic beauty, Arcadia's hostile environment has precluded commercial development. Orbital period 0.6 Earth years. Radius 10,893 kilometers. Day length 25.6 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 16.17 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature 358 Celsius. Surface gravity 5.0 G. Ooh, extra crunchy. Alrighty then, Eden Prime. First world in the game. This idyllic agrarian world was one of the first human colonies established beyond the Charon mass relay. Eden Prime's biosphere is unusually well suited for importation of Earth's native life. This fertility drew heavy immigration and development by the system's alliance and various corporations. Today, Eden Prime is a model of sustainable, organized development. The population is housed in space-efficient arcologies that tower over thousands of kilometers of green fields and orchards. So, founded 2152, population 3.7 million, capital constant, orbital period 2.5 Earth years, radius 7,026 kilometers, day length 64.1 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 1.45 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 23 Celsius, surface gravity 1.04 G. So that's Eden Prime. Zion. Zion is a hydrogen-helium gas giant even larger than Jupiter. Despite its steep gravity well and lethal radiation, it supports a small helium-3 mining industry. The reason is simple, as the only gas giant in the Utopia system, it is the only local source of fuel for Eden Prime's power stations and spaceports. Zion has 112 satellites, ranging from captured asteroids to the moon of Asphodel, which is large enough to retain a thick atmosphere. Population 1,061. Orbital period 52.8 Earth years, radius 75,333 kilometers, day length 10.5 Earth hours. Okay, so next one is over here, or no, that's on that one. Next one out is Nirvana. Alright, Nirvana has a trace atmosphere of xenon and krypton. The surface is a mix of water and ice and iron oxides, with cryovolcanic plumes of potassium concentrated around the equatorial ridge. Nirvana has little of commercial or scientific interests. I'm sure you could find a use for all that stuff. Whatever, though a few geological research stations were constructed in the early 2160s, all have been shut down for years. Wow. The Alliance maintains an automated ice cracking station which has quietly stockpiled a large amount of deuterium fuel for use by the fleet. Orbital period, 129.9 Earth years. Radius, 3,212 kilometers. Day length, 63.9 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure, 0.02 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature, negative 203 Celsius, nearly, well, let's see, it's negative 273.15, right, for absolute zero, I think. Surface gravity is 0.2 G, so slightly around lunar. Okay, and Xanadu. Xanadu's atmosphere is composed of methane and argon. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of potassium with deposits of calcium. Its location in the deep cold of the outer system and its lack of any valuable resources. Oh my word, you just said potassium and all these other stuff. You can find uses. That's, what the heck. Its location in the deep cold of the outer system and its lack of any valuable resources leave little to recommend it. Orbital period, 1,029.9 Earth years. Radius, 3,730 kilometers. 3,730. Day length, 69.8 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure, 0.19 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature, negative 216 Celsius. Surface gravity, 0.3 G. So about Martian gravity. Alright, so that's the Utopia system, and there's nowhere to go, and no blinky lights indicating a ship or anything, so Utopia within the Exodus cluster. That was today's look at the expanse of space in, not Farscape, Mass Effect 2007 edition anyway. Well, I suppose the legendary first Mass Effect would be about the same. I don't really need to save, but let's just make sure I save anyway. Didn't really do anything other than look at those, but I'm trying to do one system or maybe one cluster each time. So yeah, game over, man, game over. There's the Exodus cluster and Utopia system. Wish there were more to do there, but it's one thing after another. Take care and try not to go crazy.